Flying, train, metro, walking.
Bus.
I'm Clifford the pilot, a class rating instructor. This isn't a flight school, this is flying around Europe. We're in Nice early in the morning. We've booked the first flight out of Nice to go to Madrid. Just grabbing some breakfast in the lounge, as I've got free access to this with my bank card. Today we're flying Iberia from Nice to Madrid. Straightforward and eventful flight. After landing in Madrid, the taxi to the gate took forever. This is the nice new terminal in Madrid, and we're making our way to the train station. When I travel around Europe, because public transport's so good, it's easier to catch trains, metros, rather than taxis. There's also always a surcharge on taxis at airports, so taxis are more expensive than they should be. In all these European towns, the ticket machines are always in English, so they're easy to navigate, and they take bank cards. So this is the train into Madrid. You'd never get away with this sort of construction in a public area in the UK. So here we are in the centre of Madrid. We're staying here for one night. So we're now catching a bus to our accommodation. Okay, we're now down going to Ocaña. Stayed here the night. This is an electronic hotel. You just get a key pass on your phone and there's no one around. So this is one of those new hotels where there's no one around and everything's done electronically. You get a key sent to your phone and you let yourself in and out of the hotel. So we're now going to walk to the metro station. You lead the way?
Yeah, I lead the way.
So now we're walking to the metro system, which is about a 15-minute walk. There was a cycling race going on through the city centre. We're now at the metro station. Where did you touch down top?
What did you say?
It's alright. Metro is straightforward to follow, just like on the London Underground. So Gran Via is Metro 5.
Now it's Metro 1, I think. But we changed to Metro 5.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, it's Metro 1. From here and then we're changing. Metro.
Gran Via, and then we got to go to Lucci.
Yeah, we just changed the lines from line 1 to 5.
This way. I don't know where the I don't know where the area is.
To the airport.
Yeah.
Which I think it terminates here.
Okay.
And we'll do a break.
Okay, we now made ourselves to the bus station.
I let the pilot do the navigating for this trip, and he got it wrong. He was going to Quattro Vientos instead of Ocaña, so we did have to jump into an Uber. This Uber didn't like us filming, so we had to wait for another Uber because this one left off.
Okay. Okay, we're now in Ocaña.
So this is the hotel that we use for pilots when we're flying out of Ocaña. You can base yourself here and use Ocaña as one of our bases. These are the hotel rooms, and it's a 2-minute walk to the airfield. We're practically on the airfield. We're currently the only sort of people using this hotel at the moment, but I think they're doing it up as we go. This is our flight office, so we use this for planning and debriefing. This is one of the hangars we use. We have 2 hangars here. One is maintenance hangar. So the pilot's getting handed over to one of our safety pilots who's going to fly with for the week. This is our Tecnam that's based in Ocaña, and this one's flown with a safety pilot only and for EASA pilots. In the evening when we went to the main town of Ocaña, there was a show on throughout the summer. There's always festivals going on in Spain.